Hi, this is Mr. Putchmo. Welcome to my tutorial on distance learning. This is the first in a series of tutorials, and we're going to start with how to set up your Google Classroom. So this tutorial is for people who have very little or no experience with Google Classroom. The first thing we're going to do is use our Omnibox. That is often called the Waffle, but the real term is called the Omnibox. We're going to go to the Omnibox, and we're going to go to Google Classroom, and we're going to start there. Now, the first page gives you a summary of all the Google Classrooms that you are a part of, either owner or a member. So you notice that I have quite a few Google Classrooms. Some of you are going to have no Google Classroom, so this might be empty for you. The first thing you're going to do is click on this nice little plus button up at the top right, and that will start a new class. So you can create a class or join a class with this. If you have a class join code, you will be able to join another person's class, but right now we're going to work on creating a brand new class for your kids for distance learning. So I'm going to hit the create a class button, and then I'm going to give it a name. So my classes, as you notice, are computer literacy 7, that's grade 7-6. That's my section. So this is the 6th special rotation of the year. So my classes are 7-6, 6-6, grade 6, section 6, grade 5, section 6, and grade 8, section 6. And you'll see my previous classes as well labeled the same way. So however you decide to organize your classrooms, I would recommend giving it that section heading similar to mine or of your own making. But we can call this social studies grade 6. I'm just going to make this up because I have some, in the unit, I have some social studies topics that we're going to put in as our samples. So social studies grade 6, section, we can say first period. Subject social studies, it's a little redundant, but social studies. And then room number, my room number is 43. And then we're going to hit create. So now Google will set up our first classroom. Give it a few minutes. It does have to work through its process to create that classroom. And now I have my first classroom. So there you go. This is the first tutorial of many to come, and our next one I will show you how to add students and communicate with them. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.